Can I help you? I wasn't expecting company. Just kidding. You're okay. Come on in. Hello, I'm Paul Wharton, and I'm going to tell you the 5 favorite things about my house, because you're in it. My first favorite thing about my home is all the stairs. I live on several floors, and I don't even mind, because it keeps you tight and right. You know what I mean. Welcome to my stairs. You're breathing a little heavy. You all right? But you're not done yet. Come on. Pump, 2, 3, 4, and pump. Oh, hey Rufus. Say hi to Rufus, y'all. That's my house mascot. Don't ask. Come on. Pump, 2, 3, 4, and pump. 2, 3, 4, and breathe. My second favorite thing about my home is my fabulous winter garden. It's so cozy and cute. You don't even have to have a lot of space, but I love a really cool urban garden with my favorite flowers and plants. It's perfection. This is my terrace. The one thing I wanted when I came to London was an urban outdoor space, and now I have a fabulous winter garden. I have my coffee out here every morning and my cocktails in the evening. I don't care how cold it is, but the rain, now that's another story. So my next favorite place is my sitting room. I absolutely love it. It is elegant yet comfortable. It has pictures of my family, all my favorite things, my art on the wall, and my fireplace. Ooh, I love my beautiful fireplace. So this is my sitting room. This is where it all happens. I do a lot of socializing when it's socially acceptable. I love to throw dinner parties. I cook a lot. Every day in my house, we have cocktail hour. So it's just about time for that. The fireplace is one of my favorite things about my home here in London. And of course, I'm always surrounded by pictures of my family, my books, and my flowers. Because you know, my flowers are my Ferrari. Believe that. So my fourth favorite place in my home is my bedroom. It is the most comfortable bed I've ever had. I have the best sheets possible. And sometimes I just like to sit up there and watch This Morning and Lorraine and Loose Women. I love those women. Oh, who invited you into my bedroom? Oh, me? Okay. So, I'm so busy. I'm exhausted. And my final favorite place in my home is my little blue room. I'm a creative entrepreneur. That means I have to think of really big ideas, but in order to stay focused, I gotta do it in a really small space. So the blue room is perfect for me. I meditate during the day, and at night, I watch my Netflix. It's fabulous. This is my blue room. As you can see, it's very blue, but I'm not. You know why? Because I meditate in here, and I focus on all of my projects, and I get things done. And then at night, this is what I do. I kick up in this bed, and I turn on Netflix, and I chill. You know, Netflix and chill. And when I'm done with that, I grab my beauty products by Zhuzh and my booze, and I take a hot bath. Are you coming there too? Enough, people. It's been enough. You gotta go. All right, you've smelled my roses and drank my champagne, but now you gotta go. All right? Cheerio. Bye.